Good morning, everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the summer roll. So first, boil the noodle. This one is the best noodle for now. Egg O2, $6.99. I bet you can go to Asian market. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead this much. Boil it for 8 minutes. I'm going to change the pot because the pot too small. Get a little bit bigger. Okay, everyone, boiling for 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Okay, after 8 minutes, guys, it's done. Alright, clean it up. Okay, now it's clean. Okay, that's the noodles already done. Alright, get to go swim. We boil the shrimp now. Everyone, this shrimp's already been cooked, so I'm gonna go ahead just boil for 1 minute. Okay, just already cooked, just 1 minute only. Alright. Okay, done. Okay, only just 1 minute, only put in hot water and that's it, it's done right there. Okay, everyone, the shrimp done, the noodles done. So let's get started. Okay, everyone, here, this is what you make spring roll. This is the rice paper. Even if you don't know, you can see this is the picture right here. About $4 or $5, I don't remember. Okay, any kind of brand you can buy. And this one right here, the main one, and noodle ready to go. Shrimp prepare ready, and chicken, whatever you want to put in. You want to put shrimp only or chicken only, it's up to you. Or you want a vegetarian food tofu. So over here, and the vegetable, this is mint and cilantro, spring onion, and this is sesame seed leaf. Then of course salads. Alright guys, let's get started. This is healthy eating, how I make summer roll or spring roll, whatever you want to call. Okay, so this is how you do prepare. If you prepare like that, everything do is very easy. So the vegetable, anything you want to put in, that's how you want to eat. You can put Spanish, any kind of vegetable you want, but this is what I like. Okay, mint, you cannot missing mint, cilantro, spring onion, chicken, shrimp, and noodle. Okay, let's get started. Of course, this is rice paper right here. This one last thing I'm gonna show you. If you have this one, it doesn't matter, but I got this one for just doing spring roll paper, dip water. Okay, so let's get started. Everything ready, waiting for me. Get started. Now I'm gonna take this, and what you do, you just dip like this, turn around, get the water in, and shake it out, and lay in here. Now, get your favorite vegetable. Okay, I'm gonna pick up my vegetable. So what you do, you can put anything you want to eat. And if it's too big, broke it down and add more vegetable in here. This is what I like to do. This one, sesame seed leaf. Add this, put this on. And I got cilantro laying on here. Then I got the mint. Put anything you love to eat, everyone. It's just so refreshing. And lay out, so every bite you eat, you gotta hit the mint in your mouth. And then the noodle. If you put a lot of noodle, you will get full very quickly. So I put the noodle like this. Okay, I'm gonna put chicken on top of here. If you like the chicken, children they love chicken. Then I'm gonna lay shrimp in here. Lay shrimp on here. 1, 2, and 3. Yes, that's raw. If they're not beautiful, you always do over again. That's rolling this vegetable. Might be not beautiful, but delicious to eat. like that. Wow, look at this. They're looking good. Ready to bite right here. See that? So easy to make. Important thing, you prepare all the vegetable you want to eat, and then you can roll and eat how you want it. This is so easy to make spring roll, guys. You have to prepare though. You know, work hard is worth it. It's healthy eating right here. Okay, I put in the Ziploc bag. I put in the bag like this because if you lay out together, they will be sticky. So I think I better to put in the bag. This is another secret. If you don't want summer roll stick together, you always using this one, the avocado oil, and wrapping right here, and they won't stick together if you go like this, right? They won't stick together. And put in the Ziploc bag, then put in the sandwich bag. Yeah, like that. But I'm not gonna put in here. Okay, everyone, this is beautiful, right? I cut off here and just lay in here. Done one right here. I will show you another one. Okay, let's do another one. Salads. Get that in. Sesame leaf. You don't want to put too much. Some people, they don't like it. And cilantro. Mint. One, two. When they bite, so they get 3 bites basically. And spring onion. Just a little bit. Then the noodle. The more you put the noodle, the easier to get full, okay? And then chicken. Shrimp, lay out beautiful. Put the shrimp in here. Okay, and let's roll. Beautiful. But I'm gonna show you. Let's put another layer because it won't be broken. Don't break, okay? So another roll. Put another layer and roll again. See? Beautiful. If you want to look delicious, you cut off this 8 right here. Cut off this 8 right here. Now I'm gonna using olive oil. I mean avocado oil, wrapping around so they won't stick together when you lay on the side like that. This is another trick. And then when you put together like that, they won't stick together. They won't stick together. There's some long, some short. If you want to make it beautiful, I already cut off some more. It's a delicious look to eat. So they won't stick together. You see the oils around. All right, so that's 1, 2. Okay, guys. See that? See how easy to make? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do all of this because I cannot show you all of it, but I show you very important thing how to make. I'm gonna finish it and come back again, okay? Okay, everyone, finally I am done. It's just, oh my god, I'm so tired, stand up to working. But it's delicious. Oh my god, this is gonna be yummy. People are gonna love it. Alright, this is the sauce I made. This is peanut sauce. This is a fish sauce. Alright guys, peanut sauce is peanut butter and hoisin sauce, and add it on. It's just very easy to make. Next time I will give you recipe, okay? I will write it down whatever I have put in here. And there you have it. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you next video. Work hard, pay off. Eat healthy and live healthy and eat good. Guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you next video. Bye bye now. Mwah. See you. Okay. Right, they're gonna enjoy this for the party. So see you guys later. Bye bye now.